Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video we will discuss if XRP will rise by the end of May this year. But before we start, make sure to give this channel a big thumbs up, and if you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe before leaving. Also, hit that bell icon so that you can get notified whenever we will upload a new video. For now, let's get back to the video straight away. As we fast forward to 2022, things are beginning to swirl around us in an attempt to make a final swing at success. But some things never change, like the SEC versus Ripple case. And yet, plans are afoot for Ripple, meaning it's business as usual. Check out our XRP price prediction after the lawsuit to find out how much will XRP be worth in 10 years from now. Although the bearish activity is on the go, the live XRP price today is 69 cents USD with a 24-hour trading volume of 3,725,885,813 USD. XRP is up 9.15% in the last 24 hours. Support may appear at a 61-cent support handle. Could it be because Elon Musk has now joined Ripple and charged straight into the United States Securities and Exchange Commission? Elon Musk believes SEC is attempting to regulate cryptocurrencies and that it has crossed its jurisdiction and needs to be stopped. A notable development as a turnkey solution for financial institutions, Ripple Liquidity Hub will leverage smart order routing to source digital assets at optimized prices from market makers, exchanges, and OTC desks. As a crypto liquidity platform built for the enterprise, it will unleash the potential to access deep liquidity within markets, accelerating the shift to crypto. Historical background. In the world of cryptocurrencies, XRP is quite different. It is decentralized, but not as much as Bitcoin, Ethereum, and the likes. Unlike them, it doesn't seek to be an alternative to the traditional banking system, but rather to collaborate and improve the conventional banking system. Nonetheless, it is a cryptocurrency that could outlast others due to its many distinctive features and landmark developments. SEC versus Ripple, XRP price prediction after lawsuit. The lawsuit against Ripple has been the major hindrance to the price surge during this bull market. Even though the Securities and Exchange Commission does not consider Ethereum and Bitcoin, which have similar characteristics with XRP, to be securities, the SEC has continued to be harsh towards Ripple Labs Incorporated. The XRP price fell by 70% immediately after the suit was filed, and has never been able to break its previous all-time high of $3. XRP holders have been affected as major crypto exchanges like Coinbase and Crypto.com suspended trading so they couldn't cash out. JP Morgan's North American Equity Research also published a report earlier this month stating that the XRP asset is poised for significant adoption. Ripple partners with Republic of Palau. Despite the issues, XRP is dealing within the US. It has accomplished several strategic partnerships. XRP is partnered with the Republic of Palau to develop its national digital currency. The national stablecoin would be utilizing the XRP ledger due to its carbon-neutral and energy-efficient characteristics stated by Ripple in its announcement. Just like El Salvador, the Republic of Palau does not have its fiat currency and depends highly on the US dollar. The aim of the partnership is for Ripple to develop a strategic cross-border payment system by banking the unbanked citizens of Palau. SEC versus Ripple case will likely end in 2022, says Ripple's CEO. The CEO stated during his interview on CNBC that the lawsuit with the Securities and Exchange Commission is nearing its end. Brad Garlinghouse believes that the judges have realized that the case has broader implications than XRP, and they are beginning to ask good questions. XRP holders also filed Friends of the Court briefs to allow them to join the case as defendants to support Ripple. However, the judge ruled that individual XRP holders cannot act as defendants in the ongoing lawsuit. The emergence and growth of Ripple XRP. Ripple has been in existence for a while. It was created back in 2004 as Ripple Pay, but the case of its innovation came too early for its time, as it made no significant mark then. However, it returned in 2012 as Ripple, and soon after launched the XRP token. Ripple XRP is unlike any other cryptocurrency. XRP is a product of Ripple Labs, and it differs on many levels, and this includes: Ripple is not blockchain-based. Unlike most of the cryptocurrencies in existence, the coin does not operate on blockchain technology. Instead, it is based on the Ripple protocol technology, which means it has no use for a distributed ledger database. This uses gateways linked to servers of the company in multiple countries of the world to verify and process transactions. XRP cannot be mined. While the mining process is considered an integral part of all tokens, it is not the same for XRP. The limit for XRP coins is set at 100 billion coins created by the company. Over 35% of that coin has been released into the market. The rest is held by the company that releases it periodically to control the supply and circulation of the token. The cryptocurrency is a deflationary one as the number of coins in the market reduces with each transaction. Ripple Network is centralized. This virtual asset is centralized, and its parent company, Ripple Lab, strives to create partnerships with traditional financial institutions like banks. The company sells its RippleNet technology to these institutions, thereby increasing the popularity of its native token, Ripple XRP. RippleNet technology is a system that connects banks and facilitates cross-border payments and settlements. Due to the differences between Ripple XRP and other cryptocurrencies, it also has some advantages. Some of them are fast transaction speed. This is one of the most significant selling points of Ripple technology. The swiftness of transactions surpasses other cryptocurrencies and beats that of Swift wire transfer, the commonly used system in traditional banking. This makes it a better alternative for banks to facilitate cross-border payments as its XRP transactions are exceedingly fast. The Ripple transaction protocol is quite efficient too. Low cost. Traditional banking system transactions and that of some cryptocurrencies tend to incur hefty transaction fees. But with digital currency, this fee is drastically reduced to a pittance. Reversibility of transactions. Another positive for it is that the transaction can be reversed or edited to deal with an error if there is one. All these features have enabled the Ripple network to gain significant partnerships among traditional financial institutions, and it has also influenced the growth in value of Ripple XRP over the years. Growth in South Pacific. It is a fact that the recent partnership of Ripple with the Japanese payment giant SBI has brought the attention of various technical corporations across the South Pacific region, and it is expected that the entire region will see an expansion and adoption of Ripple tech. It has been said that the Ripple remittance deal is setting the stage for the much broader adoption of Ripple. The lawsuit on Ripple pertaining to its security doesn't seem to bother Japanese regulators or SBI officials. Ripple price action and price movement. Given how past developments or even announcements have led to an increase in the value of XRP, the currency might reach $2. This will happen if the actions of Ripple technology lead to a partnership with more financial institutions. In the past, XRP's popularity, and by extension, its increase in value, has been heavily influenced by the partnership with these traditional institutions. More partnerships will mean more adoption, which invariably means higher value. However, it is not so simple for XRP. The SEC lawsuit complicates the whole issue even further. Before the SEC filed the case, the outlook for XRP was positive, even if it did not make many optimistic. But the lawsuit cuts its breakout short and makes a Ripple price prediction trajectory more challenging, unlike other digital currencies. Considering how difficult it is to predict a digital asset accurately, it is even more difficult for XRP. More traders are acting bearish with the XRP cryptocurrency after the lawsuit, raising fears that it could drop to below 10 cents. However, the price pump by retail investors and traders has allowed it to pick up again. According to Coinpedia, even with the lawsuit hanging over its head, Ripple XRP will trade at an average of $20 in the next 5 years. Thus, the highest projected price for the year is $2, while it could also go as minimum price prediction is 56 cents if the SEC lawsuit is not settled in favor of Ripple. XRP price prediction 2022. XRP price prediction is expected at $1.76 by the end of 2022. This, of course, is relative to the position of XRP in the cryptocurrency market, with the current price at $1.16. XRP price prediction 2023. Though it may not be as high when compared with that of Bitcoin or Ethereum, it is expected that Ripple's growth will continue, and XRP price prediction for 2023 might be above $3. This is an extremely bullish scenario for digital assets. This will happen if all the development plans that Ripple currently has in the offing are initiated, thereby allowing for more partnerships, not just with financial institutions, but also with other institutional investors. Such widening of scope for Ripple will have an immediate benefit for XRP. That's it for today, guys. We will see you next time. Until then.